Hello everyone, I am Assistant Professor Mr. Arvind Kute and welcome all of you on my YouTube channel. Today we have introductory video lecture on the new revised syllabus of English which is structured for the second year of BSc of Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pune. आजच्या या व्हिडिओ लेक्चरमध्ये आपण सावित्रीबाई फुले पुणे विद्यापीठाच्या द्वितीय वर्ष विज्ञान या वर्गासाठी इंग्रजी या विषयाचा नव्याने रचनात करण्यात आलेला अभ्यासक्रमाविषयी माहिती घेणार आहोत. सो लेट मी स्टार्ट द डिस्कशन ऑफ द इंग्लिश सिलेबस ऑफ द थर्ड सेमिस्टर ऑफ BSc. This is an ability enhancement course considering the needs of students and the requirements of professional sectors. The syllabus of this paper is designed to enhance linguistic and professional skills of the students. In the age of technology, it's high time for the students to acquire and exercise the skill and sub-skill of using English in multivalent context. हा एक क्षमता वाढविणारा अभ्यासक्रम असून विद्यार्थ्यांच्या गरजा आणि व्यावसायिक क्षेत्रांच्या गरजा लक्षात घेऊन या पेपरचा अभ्यासक्रम विद्यार्थ्यांच्या भाषिक आणि व्यावसायिक कौशल्य वाढवण्यासाठी तयार करण्यात आलेला आहे. तंत्रज्ञानाच्या युगात विविध क्षेत्रामध्ये इंग्रजी वापरण्याचे कौशल्य आणि उपकौशल्य आत्मसात करण्याची आणि त्यांचा वापर करण्याची गरज निर्माण झालेली आहे. The paper aims at a balanced upgradation of the students, focusing on their ability enhancement. Hence, to avoid lopsided professional development, the human values are also taken care of, accommodating the literature section in the syllabus. विद्यार्थ्यांच्या क्षमतावाढीवर लक्ष केंद्रित करून या पेपरचे उद्दिष्ट संतुलित कौशल्य विकास हा आहे. म्हणून फक्त व्यावसायिक प्रगती होऊ न देता अभ्यासक्रमात साहित्य विभागाचा समावेश करून मानवी मूल्यांची काळजी घेतली गेली आहे. द अदर युनिट्स cater to the needs of enhancing speaking ability, writing ability, the ability to face an interview, the ability to use soft skills effectively while planning one's work and working on the plans. By and large, the present syllabus is an attempt to galvanize the existing competencies of the students and enhancing their abilities for better performance and better result. इतर युनिट्समध्ये संभाषण क्षमता, लेखन क्षमता, एखाद्या मुलाखतीस सामोरे जाण्याची क्षमता, एखादे कार्य नियोजन करताना आणि कौशल्यांवर कार्य करताना सॉफ्ट स्किल्सचा प्रभावीपणे वापर करण्याची क्षमता यावर विशेषतेने लक्ष दिले गेले आहे. एकूणच सध्याचा अभ्यासक्रम म्हणजे विद्यार्थ्यांची विद्यमान क्षमता वाढवणे आणि उत्तम कार्यक्षमता आणि चांगल्या निकालासाठी त्यांची क्षमता वाढवणे यासाठी केलेला प्रयत्न आहे. नाउ लेट्स फोकस ऑन द ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह ऑफ दिस course. First, to introduce the use of English in multimedia. Second, to acquaint the student with the language skills in multivalent context. Third, to acquaint and enlighten a student regarding the speaking skill in various contexts. Fourthly, to acquaint and familiarize the students with advanced writing skills in different contexts. Fifth, to acquaint and familiarize the student with soft skills. Sixth, to minimize the gap between the existing communicative skills of the students and the skills they require at a professional level. Seven, to develop confidence among the student to appreciate and analyze short stories and poetry. Each semester shall have 3 credits for teaching. Each credit is equal to 15 hours, so this course shall have 45 teaching hours. Each semester shall have 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 credits for teaching. 1 credit is for practical discussion purpose. However, each credit is equal to 15 hours, so this course shall have 45 teaching hours. In addition to that, there shall be 3 hours allotted to internal evaluation. म्हणजेच हा कोर्स एकूण 3 क्रेडिटचा असून त्यात 1 क्रेडिट प्रॅक्टिकल डिस्कशनसाठी आहे. एकूण 1 क्रेडिट बरोबर 15 तासिका याप्रमाणे 45 तासिका असून अंतर्गत मूल्यमापन करण्यासाठी 3 तास आहेत. 15 गुण अंतर्गत मूल्यमापनासाठी असून 35 गुणांची सत्रांत परीक्षा आहे. लेट्स सी द इव्हॅल्युएशन pattern of this course. Considering the choice-based credit system (CBCS) and the semester pattern, both semester 3rd and 4th will have a uniform evaluation pattern of 50 marks each. There will be an internal examination for 15 marks and semester end examination for 35 marks. The internal examination for 15 marks will be conducted in 2 parts. First, practical examination for 5 marks, and secondly, there is the choice like group discussion, mock interviews, seminar, project presentation, role play, home assignment, library works, lecture notes, etc. This can be considered. Secondly, a mid-semester written test for 10 marks. The mid-semester written test will be based on the book prescribed for the syllabus. The test aims at assessing student writing competence in general. Hence, descriptive and essay type questions can be considered while setting the question papers. The semester end examination will have a uniform question paper pattern for both semester and have 35 marks. म्हणजेच अंतर्गत मूल्यमापन यामध्ये ग्रुप डिस्कशन, मॉक इंटरव्ह्यूज, सेमिनार, प्रोजेक्ट, प्रेझेंटेशन, रोल प्ले, होम असाइनमेंट, लायब्ररी वर्क, लेक्चर नोट्स यापैकी कोणतेही एक 5 गुणांसाठी असेल आणि 10 गुणांची मध्य सत्रांत परीक्षा असेल तर 35 गुणांची सत्र परीक्षा असणार आहे. प्रिस्क्राइब टेक्स्ट फॉर दिस कोर्स इज हॉरिझॉन्स English in Multivalent Context by Board of Editors, Orient Black Swan. Unit 1st, Literature, contains 2 subunits and 1 practical unit, which will be for 15 clock hours in total, and includes short story A Shadow by R.K. Narayan. Then poetry, La Ballade Dame Sans Mercy by John Keats. Thirdly, Where the Mind is Without Fear by Ravindranath Tagore. Third, practical discussion for 5 clock hours. Then unit 2nd, conversational skill, contain 4 subunit and 1 practical unit, which will be for 15 hours in total and includes sample dialogue, useful expression and exercise. First, introducing yourself and others. Second, asking, giving and refusing permission. Third, describing daily routine. Fourth, complaining and apologizing. Fifth unit is on practical discussion for 5 clock hours. Unit 3rd, interview techniques, contains 4 subunit and 1 practical unit, which will be for 15 hours in total and includes job application letter, then resume writing, also include group discussion and personal interviews, presentations, then practical discussion for 5 clock hours. Now let's discuss the question paper format of semester end exam, which will be for 35 marks and time allotted 2 clock hours. Question number 1, long answer question on unit 1st, any one out of 2 for 15 marks. Then question number 2nd, short notes on unit 2, any 2 out of 3 for 10 marks. Then question number 3, short notes on unit 3, any 2 out of 3 for 10 marks. My all dear students, I hope that this video lecture is being informative to you. For the more videos, please like, share, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you will get a notification when a new video will be arrived. Thank you all and enjoy your day.